Local news for Wednesday, the 22nd of January. A collaborative art project for the new Library Learning Centre is underway today at Masterton's District Library. Danny Henk will help lead the project and create a unique piece of art from repurposed materials. Henk is a Wellington-based artist, originally from the American Midwest, and is in Wairarapa for 3 weeks. Flights in a World War II fighter are being offered this weekend at Masterton's Hood Aerodrome in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The V12-powered Yak with pilot Ryan Southern will be available Friday afternoon and also Sunday from midday. Local fire crews were kept busy last night with call-outs across the valley. A structure fire on Worksop Roads, with a call-out that came in at 20 to 8, saw at least 2 engines there for up to a couple of hours, while call-outs for Carterton and Greytown came in just after 8 o'clock. And in sport, the 2020 Jumbo Holdsworth Trail Race is on this Saturday as it celebrates its 26th anniversary of the tough but spectacular event. With 3 events on the day, all mountain endurance runs through the Tanadua Forest Park. Temperatures are expected to be near 30 degrees. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.